Are you looking for the best carving axe? In this video, we will break down the top 5 carving axes on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Gränsfors Bruks Hand Hatchet. Well, this carving axe from Gränsfors Bruks is a perfect choice for carving. At the same time, you can use it for multiple other uses. For example, other small woodworks, campfires, etc. This best lightweight axe is one of the best bets for hiking and camping without any second thought. Kudos to its size and weight. As it doesn't come razor sharp, you will have to sharpen it before use. With that said, sharpening this axe is not a big deal at all. Although the price is on the higher side, this one is the best carving axe on my list without any doubt whatsoever. At number 2. Hults Bruk Akka Forester's Premium Outdoor Axe. The head of this axe is comprised of Swedish steel that was struck multiple times to increase its density. As a result, it is extremely durable and can handle a variety of tasks. The head construction involves a tempered zone that will hold a very sharp edge, even after you sharpen it multiple times. What makes it stand out as a good carving axe is its straight knife ground edge. It also has a finger notch near the neck for added carving convenience. The Hults Bruk axe is also useful for a wide range of applications. You can use it to chop firewood and even clear forest trails. It weighs about 2.2 pounds, with a 1.5 pound head for exceptional leverage and power. It's quite comfortable to hold, and you'll find it lightweight enough to handle or travel with. The axe comes with a traditional leather protective sheath. The sheath is sturdy, well made, and has a welt to protect the bit edge. It also has some unique Swedish decorative elements. At number 3. Hults Bruk Akka Hatchet. Most user likes this axe because it's super lightweight. The head weighs 1 pound, and the overall weight of this axe is 1.5 pounds. The handle length of this axe is 9.4 inches. It's much shorter than common axes, so it can be a perfect packing companion. The head of the axe is made of solid Swedish steel. It's hammered to shape, so it has a smooth finish down to the edge, and will get no crackle after long-term use. The price is affordable, so we think this axe can't be the wrong option for wood carving. At number 4. PFEIL Carving Hatchet. The PFEIL carving hatchet can be the best carving axe because it has a thin head. This design reduces the weight of the axe, and allows you to cut wood like butter. The total length of this axe is 183, while the cutting edge is 53 long. It's comfortable to hold, feeling like a natural extension of the arm. This axe uses premium tool steel, so the head holds an edge. But it's a bit heavier than other carving axes on the market. It's recommendable that the handle of this axe won't get slippery. At number 5. CRKT Fair Axe. This is one of the lowest priced choices on our review, which could help alleviate a few of the major problems impacting the blade customer experience. To be really smooth, the carbon steel blade is cast, but it's not very strong and can crack with the period. It also appears to get wobbly, so that many people will finally feel dissatisfied at all about using it. The hickory handle also does not seem to have become adequately handled. It can warp after introduction to moisture or pity because this is one of the most sophisticated elements of the architectural philosophy of the axe.